Was the doctor's actions really the cause of your injury? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today quickly about that question that I just asked you. Was the doctor's actions, or inactions for that matter, the cause of your injury? To be able to understand this issue of causation, I'm going to take you back and I'm going to explain to you four basic elements that we see in what we call tort cases. And for tort cases, I'm talking about for this video, a medical malpractice case or car crash case or a slip and fall case, any type of injury case. Now, these four elements that you've got to understand are duty, that's number one, breach of that duty, causation, we're talking about that word causation again, causation, and damages. Now for damages, what we're talking about for this video, we're talking about some type of injury or harm that has occurred to you. So you've got to have those four basic elements. And for today's video, I want to focus on causation. To be able to understand this, I'm going to give you an example. Let's say that you go and you have a treatment done by a doctor or a procedure is done and you are injured as a result of this, or you think that you're injured. Well, you get the medical records and you have your medical records looked over by another medical expert, and that expert comes to the conclusion that the doctor's actions were not what caused your injury. If you don't have that link, you've got to show that what the doctor did is what caused your injury or your harm. And let's say in that hypothetical that your expert comes back and says that really your injury was caused by some type of genetic issue that you had. Well, as you can see in this instance, that the doctor's actions would not really be the cause. It would be the genetic issue would be the cause or the underlying cause of your injury. So if you can't tie it up, if you can't tie the actions or the inactions of the doctor to your injury, you're not going to be successful more than likely in your case. So why have I taken the time today to explain all of this to you? Because I'm trying to help you understand the process. I'm trying to help you understand that this is an element by element approach that medical malpractice attorneys take with these particular types of cases. And that if one element is missing, your case really will not be successful more than likely. So again, if you have more questions about this process, if you would like to talk with someone about whether you are the victim of medical malpractice, this is what I invite you to do. It costs you absolutely nothing to take this action, and that is pick up the phone and give me a call. I could be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer Maryland medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time to listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.